Deep in the quiet heart of the Scottish Highlands, on the outskirts of a small village called Evanton, lies one of nature's most mysterious and breathtaking wonders, Black Rock Gorge. A short walk through dense green woodlands leads you to a hidden spectacle, a narrow, dramatic chasm carved into the earth over thousands of years by the relentless flow of water. Towering walls of dark stone rise up to 36 meters high, their surfaces draped with moss and ferns, while a crystal-clear stream winds gently along the gorge's shadowy floor. But the natural beauty of Black Rock Gorge is only part of its story. Beneath the surface lies a world of myth and legend, whispered from one generation to the next among highland villagers. According to ancient tales, a devil once appeared here centuries ago, luring a young woman into the depths of the gorge, never to be seen again. Locals claim that on quiet nights you can still hear her cries echoing through the canyon, mingling with the sound of rushing water and the wind weaving through the rocks. These haunting stories have given the gorge an aura of mystery and intrigue, attracting adventurers, nature lovers, and fans of the supernatural alike. Its dramatic landscape even caught the eye of filmmakers. Black Rock Gorge famously appeared as a filming location in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Whether you come seeking raw natural beauty or the echoes of ancient legends, Black Rock Gorge offers an unforgettable experience. A place where science meets storytelling, and where reality and myth entwine in the heart of Scotland.